Hello, what is up guys? Welcome to the channel. Finally, after almost 5 years, I had another chance to build a new gaming PC, and I decided to make another PC build videos too. Now, for those of you who are new to this channel, you can check out the previous videos that I have uploaded before. There are lots of interesting videos for those of you who want to make mini PC builds. So in the future, same as before, I will try to make PC build videos for you so you can use it as a reference, and I will also make some review videos about other computer hardwares. In this video, I am going to build a mini PC with a Phanteks P200A mini tower case. Starting from the CPU, here I use the AMD Ryzen 5 5600G. This CPU is, in my opinion, a very versatile CPU because of its onboard graphics. This really helps us when we are still in the process of looking for a new GPU, or maybe when we are still saving money to buy the GPU that we want. For the motherboard, here I use AsRock A520M ITX AC, which is the cheapest AM4 mini ITX motherboards in its class. For the RAM, here I use Crucial Ballistix Max with 2x 8GB modules and a speed of 4000 MHz. And for the storage, I use an Nvme drive from Lexar and N620 with a total of 1TB. For the GPU, here I went with AMD 6650XT from Gigabyte Eagle. In terms of airflow, because the Phanteks P200A case only includes two 120mm fans, I finally decided to replace all the fans with the Arctic P12 PWM PSD value pack, which contains 5 120mm fans. In my opinion, this Arctic fan is a fan whose value is really good, not only in terms of performance, but it is also very silent and the price is very affordable. To cool the CPU, here I used the Arctic Freezer 34 eSports Duo in grey color. The color of this CPU cooler really suits this build, and apart from that, this CPU cooler also has a very good price to performance value according to Gamers Nexus. So if you are interested in this CPU cooler, I'm going to make a review video as well, so stay tuned. And lastly, for the PSU, here I use the Be Quiet Pure Power 11 600W with semi-modular form. So enough talking, let's build the PC. So that was the results of the mini PC build. What do you think? Do you prefer mini PCs that are really small in size like video game consoles, or do you prefer mini tower models like this one so you can still see the hardware from the outside? Let me know by commenting down below. For those of you who are curious about how big the dimensions of this build is, you can see here the size comparison with the NZXT H510 Flow case, which is a full ATX case. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and notification buttons so you know when I upload a new video. At the end of this video, I made a mini gaming benchmark so you guys can see what kind of performance you will get if you are planning to make the same build. So thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.
Slow now, whoa.
Devils take ye, I had milk to leave at the doorstep. The demons away.
Quick, then get to my real job. Looks like Yuri called in the cavalry.